Today I want to show you how to open up your LLC, your EIN, and your sales tax certificate in New York State. Now we know there are agencies out there that will help you do this for a fee, but frankly, I think it's really easy to do this on your own. And so I just want to help guide you do that today, and save you maybe on that service fee. Now, disclaimer: it's not free because you still have to pay New York State $200 to register your LLC for the very first time. But besides that, the only other fee is the maintenance fee that you have to that you incur every single year just to keep your LLC alive, essentially. So, really quick, I have some stats on the demographic group of business owners in New York State. Just wanted to share this as a talking point here and found it interesting. But this is from the New York Small Business Economic Profile of 2022. So, women made up 48.5% of workers and owned 39.8% of businesses. Veterans made up 2.7% of workers and owned 3.4% of businesses. Hispanics made up 18% of workers and owned 13% of businesses. And finally, racial minorities made up 33.4% of workers and owned 26.3% of businesses. Women are definitely a dominating percentage here, which is really cool to see. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is head over to Google and search NYS LLC, and you're going to want to click on a link from the official New York State website, which is dos.newyork.gov. And if you didn't already catch on, this is essentially what these agencies do. This process that you're about to do now is what they do for you. You can click on Articles of Organization, and that's the formal name for the process of creating your LLC for the very first time. Articles of Organization, sort of in the name, you're organizing your paperwork, your articles, and once you're done, you get a document with all of the information that you submitted when you registered your LLC. So, like your name, your address for the business, and those type of things. You can read all of this on your own time. Now, you're going to want to click on File Online, but just like I said earlier, there is a fee associated, and that is $200 for filing your Articles of Organization. Go ahead and file online, and then you can click on Domestic Liability Company. Awesome. And now here, pretty simple. What you need to apply: business information, so your name, the business name that you want to register the business with, and the business address where the business is located, along with the $200 fee. So you can apply online as an owner. So if you're gonna be the one running the business and opening the business, then you can apply online as an owner. This is where the agencies will go in and basically register for you, apply online on behalf of another person. Okay, so all of the forms associated, required fees, everything you need to know is here. So now we're up to step 2 of creating your LLC in New York State, and that's going to be creating your EIN, or your employer identification number. And without getting too confusing or thinking too hard about it, that's basically just the number that gets created once your LLC entity is formed, and it goes hand in hand with your LLC. So the EIN is just a way for the federal and the state government to identify you through the numbers. It's basically the equivalent of a social security number for an individual. Go into Google and search for apply for EIN online. And because this is with the federal government, you're going to go to irs.gov's website right here and click on apply for an EIN. And this is also pretty straightforward, and you can apply right here. So again, this is after you have created your LLC on New York Business Express. You want to come here and follow these steps and click on apply online now. And of course, right now it's down, but and it goes into maintenance. But this is where you go to create your EIN, and now we just have one more step left. Okay, so go ahead and search register for certificate of authority in New York State. You you're gonna want to look for this one, register as a sales tax vendor, and then click on apply online. And because you already have a Business Express account from step one, this should be easy. You should just be able to log in and then do what you need to do here. I'm not going to log in, but just follow the steps and you should be good. All right, so let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below.